Hello, welcome to a new week and a brand new studio vlog. It is currently the 13th of January, it's Monday, and this is my very first day that I actually have like a long time this afternoon to work on stuff. Super excited. Yeah. This morning or today I have pretty much just been doing some admin this morning. I had a little bit of a chill out session as well and played some games, which was always good. Always nice to have a little bit of downtime before actually starting work. And now I have 2 orders to process that have come through the website. Really pleased that the website is like organically making sales now. I think the switch to the subdomain of having the shop and then doing the SEO specifically for that shop page so that it gets on like Google pages and stuff was a really good idea. I'm not sure if like anything's showing up in Google Shopping, but I did check the analytics and 1 or 2 orders have come through like just through searching for wildlife cards which is really pleasing. So SEO is something that I want to focus a little bit more on and really try and get that down and really get that optimized so that I can continue to grow the store alongside tutorials as well. And then now I can also focus the SEO on the tutorials, on the homepage for the tutorials a lot more as well, because now I know that everything's separate. So we should be good to go. I'm actually going to get round to writing in my diary this morning. So I have the Maker's Yearbook and I haven't had a chance to actually utilise it properly because last week was a little bit of a weird week. I had a lot of stuff that I needed to do that wasn't like work related but took up time during work hours, so that wasn't so much fun, but it did end up being quite a productive week. I still got a lot done on the wharves, so they are progressing really well. I got some live streams done and yeah, basically everything just got sort of plodded along even though I wasn't like back into the full swing of a proper work week. Next week will actually be like a full-on proper work week because I'll have 3 days where I have a whole amount of time to do a load of work, so I'm really looking forward to next week. The amount of time that I actually get to work now, this week I've got 2 days, Monday and Friday, where I have like 5 hours to work. That 5 hours equates to, the 10 hours in total because it's 2 days of 5 hours. That 5 hours equates to like 1 whole working week of what I would get done without having those 2 days. So usually I would just work for 2 hours every single afternoon, Monday through to Friday, and then I'd end up working extra hours on a Saturday or a Sunday to get a few tasks done and catch up on admin and all of that kind of stuff. Now I have 2 days where I have 5 hours to get stuff done, and then I've got 2 days where I have 2 hours in the afternoon, and then I've got 1 day where I've got all day, and it's so exciting. I'm hoping that I can get a lot more drawing actually done. That's what I'm aiming for, is to like just be able to get a lot more drawing done, and to get tutorials and stuff finished quicker so that I can work on personal projects and actually work on finishing admin and not having to work at the weekends. So then I can literally just kind of go out with friends, do some stuff that I actually want to do at weekends. That's my ultimate goal. And so far this year that I haven't actually been like worked a weekend. I do have like live streams, but I don't really consider those working. It's just a bit of fun and I get to work on this wolf piece, so that's not really what I consider working. Working is like sitting down, filming, doing admin, or working on the website, or working on marketing or something like that. So I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna get on and package these 2 orders. One is a calendar and another is a card, I think. Just really simple orders. I've already been to the post box once today, but I'm going to take another trip out to the post box and walk my dog possibly as well. And then I'm going to come home and work some more on the wolves. This is where I've got to. So I'm working on the fourth wolf, this one here. I've done some rocks here. They need a little bit of refinement, but they're coming along quite nicely. But I just need to finish off this wolf. The main hard part now is done. That's the face. For some reason, that always takes the most amount of time. Just working on those intricate details takes so long. I think the next hard part will probably be the paws, but I'm going to do those next. And then you've just got the long body. The long fur on the body is always really nice and easy. These two wolves here with this bit of body didn't take me that long at all. And then there's just a little bit of rock work at the end. So I'm really hoping to get this done by Wednesday. If not, it'll have to be the end of the week, and then I can work next week on the Animal Artist Collective piece and some small studies for tutorials. But enough of me rabbiting on, let's get on with today's work. Good morning, it's Thursday, the 16th of January. I'm starting off this morning with some admin shop work. Is that what you would call it? I don't know. I have a couple of orders to package up this morning, so that's what I'm going to get a head start on and do. I also have some news regarding what are you doing? So here is the finished piece. I'm so pleased with it. I cannot believe how well this actually came out and that I actually managed to get it finished. The only thing is that on camera it doesn't show the full contrast or anything. It is a lot more contrasted, and you can't really see the depth of colour come across on the mobile preview. I don't know if it'll be any different on the desktop when I edit the video, but we'll see. In the phone preview it doesn't look as great as it does in person, so yeah. But I'm really pleased that I actually managed to get it done, and I can't wait to get a frame and see it framed and obviously enter it into the competition, and then just cross my fingers and hope that it kind of gets longlisted and then shortlisted. Hopefully it gets shortlisted and then I get to go to the exhibition and things, because that would be really exciting, because I've entered one competition before with the UK Colour Pencil Society, but the exhibition was a bit too far away for me to actually go and visit myself, so I had to just send my piece off. But this one I believe is in London. I think it's in London, so I should be able to go and actually visit the exhibition if it gets shortlisted, and then view all of the other works as well. I'm really excited about that and I can't wait. That's if it gets shortlisted. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. It just needs a few tweaks here and there. There's a few areas that just need fixing. I'm gonna leave it a little while longer, just a week or so, and then come back to it with some really super fresh eyes after working on another piece, and then see if there are any changes that I need to make, which is what I do with a lot of my pieces anyway. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it, and I'm super excited to just get started on a new piece now. I need to do my Animal Artist Collective piece, so I'm going to spend not today, because I'm just going to do some admin tasks and that today, but tomorrow I'm going to spend some time outlining my piece for that, and then also start some small studies for tutorials as well. So the small studies will take me a couple of hours to do, if that, and then I hopefully on Monday, when I have my whole afternoon to do stuff, I can get quite a bit done, and then also again on Wednesday and then next Friday as well. So I'm really excited to have the first drawing of 2020 finished and working on something else.